Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to convert a 3D model into a 2D drawing using AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, open your 3D model and navigate to the view you want to convert. Over here, adjust the model until the correct perspective is visible on screen. Then, make sure the view is perfectly aligned for conversion. After that, select the object or objects you want to convert. Over here, use selection tools to include everything you need in one go. Then type flat shot into the command line and press enter. After that, a conversion window will appear on the screen. Over here, click OK to continue using the default settings. Then let AutoCAD generate the 2D representation of your 3D model. After that, move your cursor to place the 2D drawing in your workspace. Over here, position the new 2D view in the desired location. Then press enter 3 times to finalize the placement. After that, the 2D drawing will be created from your 3D model. Over here, review the final 2D output in your drawing space. Then, repeat the same process for other views, like front, side, or top if needed. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.